Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn the calculation tricks for accounts department. Any accountant should know about this calculation. If you look at the invoice, you will find the invoice value, GST percentage, GST value and taxable value. If any value is missing, you can calculate this missing value in this tutorial. Here is another sheet. Here I want to know the taxable value. Here invoice value and GST percentage are given and I want to know the taxable value. Invoice value divided by 1.17, we will get the taxable value. If here GST is 80%, we will divide the 1.18. If GST is 20%, we have to divide 1.20. Let's calculate this taxable value. Just type is equal to invoice value divided by 1.17. Here you will get the taxable value. Look at another sheet. Here I want to know the GST percentage. Here invoice value and taxable value are given. How to calculate the GST percentage? Invoice value divided by taxable value minus 1 and multiply by 100. Let's calculate this calculation. Type is equal to invoice value divided by taxable value minus 1. Press enter and just click percentage sign. Now you will get the GST percentage. Now look at another sheet. Here I want to find the GST value. How can we calculate GST value? Here taxable value and GST percentage are given. Taxable value multiply by 17%. If here 18%, you have to multiply by 18%. Just type is equal to taxable value multiply by GST percentage. Now you will get the GST value. Look at another sheet. Here I want to know the invoice value. Here taxable value and GST percentage are given and I want to know the invoice value. How to calculate invoice value? Taxable value multiply by 1.17 because GST is 17%. Just type is equal to taxable value multiply by 1.17. Now you will get invoice value. If GST is 18%, you have to multiply 1.18%. If GST is 20%, you have to multiply 1.20. Then you will get the invoice value. Hope these tips will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.